lusted. Welcome back to In the Kitch. I'm here with registered dietitian Shannon Crocker. Hi, Shannon.
Hi, Joe.
Hi.
We're here today to create a dish that's nutritious and lean. We're talking turkey.
Awesome. Now today we're bringing you a recipe that's outside the box and is sure to dazzle the whole family with its flavor. Piri Piri roasted turkey thighs. For the marinade, whisk together lemon juice, garlic cloves, oil, vinegar, paprika, cayenne, and salt. Place the turkey thighs into a large sealable plastic bag, pour in the marinade, and turn them around to coat. Seal the bag and refrigerate for a minimum of 1 hour. When they're finished marinating, place the thighs in the center of a roasting pan, or you can prepare the turkey thighs on your grill. Bake them at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking in a large bowl, toss the potatoes and olives with the lemon juice, garlic, oil, thyme, lemon zest, salt, and black pepper. Once your turkey thighs have roasted for about 20 minutes, add the potatoes and olives to the pan. After a thorough basting, return the pan to the oven and continue to roast for another 40 minutes. When you're done, sprinkle with thinly sliced green onions and serve with Greek yogurt. There's so much to love in here, and it's sure to make an impression on your whole family. And the verdict?
It's fantastic.
Awesome. Seal of approval. That's perfect. You can find this recipe and more at betterlivingtv.ca/in the kitch.